Hello everyone. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for October 4th to the 16th, October 4th to the 8th. The pattern starts out amplified, but then we gradually go to more of a zonal flow across the U.S. But however, we keep a trough here over the northwest. Here's our ridge across southern states in the southeast, and that gets suppressed to the south. So we can see we have a zonal flow here. So miles are good agreement. Now we're going to look at a couple things. I think the pattern is going to change, and we're going to get some rain on parts of the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast. We're going to take a look at a little bit of a time series. This shows the areas that are in a severe or drought or just abnormally dry. And right now they put the Northeast in an abnormally dry area. And you can see back here, these are the red, which we don't hardly have any red, maybe shown down at the bottom, is severe drought and so forth. So it will be changing, because I looked at the other drought forecast, and doesn't have drought forming in for the rest of the year, but that could still change. Okay, we're going to take a look here at a system. Low pressure from the Great Lakes to New England, and rain will be near and north of the low, and trailing front stalls from the southern Rockies to the plains, where there'll be still a threat of rain. And we'll take a look at that. So we're going to go here forward in time. Here's the low pressure system. Here's our low, or here's our low, here's our front. And then you can see we have areas of heavy rain here occurring here. This is GFS. We'll look at the European. Not as intense as, well, maybe not as intense as the GFS, but we're going to have some hopefully meaningful rainfall coming in to these areas that are dry right now. Also, a system will be moving into the Rockies, and the plains will bring scattered rain, high elevation snows to parts of the west late in the week, and areas of local and moderate heavy rain over central plains this weekend. So we'll take a look at that. Here's our system moving in to the west. This is the GFS. Here's the European. So there will be rainfall across there, and just a thread here, we'll have possible heavy rainfall across portions of the southeast. You can see if you look over the southeast, there might be meaningful rain coming there. Okay, October 7th to the 11th, and a zone of flow you can see is across a bunch of the nation. This ridge is suppressed to the south and retrogrades, but still we have above normal heights across much of the nation, and the miles are good agreement on this. We look at this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for the northwest. I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal, and then we have above normal temperatures for much of this area here. Forecasting anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for the northwest, and for much of this region here, probability of occurrence is 35%. Below normal precipitation is forecast here, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. Taking a look at the period for October 12th to 16th. Still have a zone of flow across much of the nation here. See our trough returns here in the northwest, above normal heights for much of the remainder of the nation. This is the European ensembles. Look at that. Real warm pattern here in the east. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting a little change in the temperature anomalies. Still, the numbers might be a little higher here, maybe closer to 6 degrees below normal, and above normal here too might be about closer to 6 degrees above normal, especially here across the southeast. And little change is expected in the precipitation anomalies. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for October 4th to 16th. Thanks for coming, Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.